Dah.
Dah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Rahmatul Ilham. I'm moderator for Group 2. Okay. Here we will present material of about authority and inspection in legal construction. Group members, Rahmatul Ilham, Apriana Rahayu, Devita Ulanari, Intan Dwi Cahyani, Luciana Andika. Okay, I will read the first material. Background. Authority refers to the right of capacity of an individual or legal entity to act or make decisions within a species domain. It represents formal power, different from the law or legislation and extent of executive of administrative capacities. Research question. What are the basic concepts of authority and its position in legal construction? Goals. To, un- to understand the basic concept of authority and its position in legal construction. Okay, the next material we uh, the next material will be read by Intan.
Fundamental definition of authority. Authority is the right or capacity possessed by an individual or legal entity to act or make decision in a specific field. Authority instead administrative law is defined as the power to as resource to achieve organizational goals. Generally, a tax is defined as an obligation or work that must be performed by someone in their job. The driving force of the state organization itself is government officials. Authority must be grounded in existing legal provision, constitution, that's making it legitimate authority. Officials, officials or organs issue decision are supported by the source of authority. Authority for governments, officials or organs, institution is divided into one, attributive or original authority. This is the granting of governmental authority by lawmakers to governmental organs. Attributive authority is permanent or enduring as long as the law regulates is in constitutional law. Attributive authority is demonstrated in the power held by government organs to carry out their government's based on the authority established by lawmakers. Two, non-attributive or non-original authority. This is authority obtained through delegation from other apparatus. Non-attributive authority is incidental and ceases when the authorized official revokes it. This delegation of authorities intended to support smooth tax execution and maintain orderly, responsible communication flows as long as it is not specially determined by applicable law and regulation. In theory, authority derived from laws from laws and regulation in obtained through three methods. Authority obtained two attributes. Authority obtained through thought, delegation, and authority obtained from mandate. One attribution is the granting of governmental authority by lawmakers to a governmental organ. Two, delegation is the transfer of governmental authority from one governmental organ to another. Three, mandate occurs when a governmental organ allows its authority to be exercised by another organ on its behalf. Thank you.
Thanks for Intan. The next material will be read by Devita.
Thanks to moderator. Aspect of authority. 1. Legal aspect authority is granted by law and regulated in various legislative acts. 2. Factual aspect authority also involves an individual ability to carry out assigned duties and responsibilities. 3. Factional aspect authority refers to the functions and rules performed by individual or institutional. Source of authority. Source of authority can originate from various sources, both written and unwritten. 1. Constitution. The biggest law in a country that provides the foundation for various. 2. Legislative. More specific rules that regulate authority in various fields such as and economy. 3. Agreement. Agreement between two or more parties that can grant authority to the party involved or authority. Authority can be categorized into several types based on this function and scope. 1. Legitimacy authority. The power to create and emit laws. 2. To implement and enforce law. 3. Judicial authority. The power to adjudicate and resolve disputes.
Thanks for
Thank you.
Devita. The next material will be read by Ayu.
Thanks, moderator. Next, I will read the discussion about the material. The nature of authority is generally divided in three types. 1. Bound authority. 2. Facultative optional authority. 3. Discretionary authority. Governmental authority is closely related to the principle of legality. The principle of legality stipulates that all profession binding citizens must be based on law. Next, authority in the context of administrative law. Administrative law regulates the relationship between the government and cities. The authority here is focused on public administration. 1. Government regulation. Regulation is issued by the president. 2. Ministerial regulation. Regulation is issued by the minister. 3. Regional regulation. Regulation is issued by the regional government. That's all I can see. I will return it to the moderator.
Thanks for Ayu. The next material will be read by.
Thanks to moderator. Next, authority in the context of criminal law. Criminal law regulates serious violation of the law with authority in the hands of law enforcement office. 1. Police enforce the law and arrest criminals. 2. Prosecutor office prosecute criminal in court. 3. Judiciary try and sentence criminal. Next. Civil law regulates relation between citizens with authority in the hands of individuals and legal institutions. 1. Agreement, a legally binding agreement between two parties. 2. Civil code, adjudicates disputes between individuals or institutions. 3. Notary, an official authorized to make deeds. Conclusion. Authority in the right of ability possessed by a person or legal entity to act or make decision in a particular field. In theory, authority derived from law and regulation is obtained in three ways, namely authority obtained through attribution, authority obtained through delegation, and authority obtained from mandate. 1. Attribution is the granting of government authority by lawmakers to government organs. 2. Delegation is the delegation of government authority from one government organ another government organ. 3. Amended occurs when a government organ allows authority to be exercised by another organ on its behalf. Return to moderator.
Thanks, Uchi. That's all we can present from us. If there are mistake, we apologize. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Lah kan? Ini udah boleh?